up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl. If you're not, then welcome back. I'm gonna be doing like half talk through, half kind of not. This is gonna be my birthday wig, guys. I'm gonna cut layers in it because I'm gonna wear it down the first night, which is gonna be tomorrow. The wig has this cute platinum blonde highlights. It's a frontal. I think it's transparent lace. I don't even think it's HD, but we're gonna make it do what it do, okay? There's nothing wrong with transparent. This wig fits perfectly, thank God. I have been struggling with the wigs lately, y'all. Like, they have not been fitting my head. I don't know what's up with the construction these days, but it ain't been right. I never really secure my wigs until I'm 100% done. I'm just gonna go across the hairline with hairspray and get these flyaways out the way. I seen this girl on TikTok and she explained how to cut ear tabs really good. I think her name is Alexis Lewis or Alex. Don't quote me if I'm wrong, and if you're watching this video, girl, I'm sorry I said your name wrong, but she explained how to do ear tabs really good. And I'm just gonna spread the makeup on the lace, and you want to make sure you're getting it all over the lace and you're getting it a little bit in front of that hairline. So when you put your wig down, it should melt right into your skin, hopefully. I've been using the Kiss Almighty. I'm gonna be doing 3 layers because I want my wig to stay for once. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, that kind of concludes the talk through part. I'm just going to be doing a voiceover for the rest of this video, so just ignore me talking to y'all on camera. I have muted everything. To be honest, I really won't talking about nothing, let's be real, and the video was like mad long. So as far as this Kiss Almighty glue, I wanted to do like a little update. I still don't know for sure how I'm feeling about it because it has not been but 2 times that I used this glue. This wig install did not last as long as I wanted it to with this glue. I don't know if it was the environment I was in or what, so I'm going to try to use it again and give y'all like a full update on the next video. But I wanted to come in and say I really loved this wig. The color was beautiful. Like, I'm keeping this wig for sure. I love the color. The highlights were perfect, or balayage, however it's listed on the site, but it was a really good job that they did on this wig. I didn't have to pluck much off the front, but once I plucked what I needed to, I love the way that this turned out. The lace wasn't even that thick or bad, considering it was transparent. Sometimes I have hard times with transparent lace depending on the material, but this one was really good. I didn't have any problems trying to melt this. Like, it melted perfectly after I was done. The wig fit well. It was not too small, and I've been having trouble with that, as I mentioned earlier. Like, a lot of my wigs have been fitting kind of snug, but this one fit very well, and the hair holds curls very well. I like Megalook hair. I've worked with them before, and their hair was good the first time. So I definitely would say that they are a company that I like to work with, and I like the quality of their hair. So yeah. Alright, so it's small little sections left that don't have glue on them, so I'm just gonna go in with more glue. And the good thing that I like about this Kiss Almighty is it has a dual end stick on it. And this is not promoted, y'all. I'm just telling y'all based off of what I bought. And it has this small side here. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the glue on the small side and go underneath the areas where it's lifting. I went ahead and cut layers into this wig and curled my hair as well as did the baby hairs off camera just to keep the video kind of short. Let me know if you guys like start to finish installs where I'm showing every single step, or if y'all like more dedicated type videos, baby hair video, curling tutorial, layering tutorial, like very specific things. Let me know what y'all think, so moving forward I can make videos specific to each thing or start to do more start to finishes. But anyway, I'm gonna let the rest of the video play out and let y'all continue to watch this install. Elastic band on the hairline one more time. I put my elastic band on so many times. Y'all don't be afraid of it. That is what's gonna melt that lace. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. This is the final look, and can I say I love it? I love it. Like, I've never had a color this bright before. Other than like a synthetic wig, I have actually, but like not on a regular wig. This is so cute. I love it. Y'all know I gotta put me some layers in it per usual. I love the curls. I did layers a little bit shorter than I normally do. The lace is bomb. This is transparent lace, but as you can see, it's still very much melted. Like that Wiggins hair wig I had was not like this. If I'm gonna get a color wig, then that lace needs to be good, and it is bomb. So with that being said, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all watch all the way to the end. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest.
touch me.